to the Master Design Challenge.
Designers and architects are a key element in the future of our society and our planet. Roca tried always to explain and develop projects aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals with all of these designers and architects that are working with us.
22 people are fighting for being the best. We are mixing inspiration and talent.
I think everyone should have this once in their life to experience it.
It's a really challenging experience. It's super difficult, but I think it's worth it.
The best recommendation for the participants is to be involved as maximum as they can in all the process.
It's intense.
It was amazing.
It's intense, so you need to be at the top of your game.
Crazy, one word for these days.
Push your power and talent to the limit.
It is so refreshing to see how other designers all over the world think about how to solve water sanitation problems.
I think a lot of interesting issues are addressed today. Sustainability, mobility. There was a huge range of form of material being used. I thought that was really exciting as well.
You see a young crowd who have been taught more about image and about beauty, and others that have been taught about creating something from scratch.
My personal message to all design students and all young designers, just participate more and more in such activity, and one day you're going to be the winner.
The winner is Ahmad Qatar.
I was not expecting to be the global winner. That's such a great honor. I'm really speechless. I don't know how to express how happy I am, but it's been a great opportunity, really.